everyone and welcome. I'm Genevieve. Today I will talk about an essential phenomenon in the ocean, the Gulf Stream. This current plays a critical role in shaping global climate, ecosystems, and human activities. By the end of this video, I hope you will have a deeper understanding of its significance. Let's begin with a brief history. The Gulf Stream was first documented by Spanish explorer Ponce de Leon in 1513. By the 1600s, shipmasters were leveraging its patterns for commercial voyages and whaling. The first chart of the Gulf Stream was published in 1665. Later, in 1769, Benjamin Franklin, with Timothy Folger, created a more scientific map and even measured its temperature. By the 19th century, scientists like Reynolds and Maury refined our understanding of this current and its driving mechanisms. The Gulf Stream begins in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, flows through the Florida Straits, and then travels north along the eastern coast of North America before crossing the Atlantic. From a scientific perspective, the Gulf Stream is primarily wind-driven, but it's also influenced by the Earth's rotation, known as the Coriolis effect. This phenomenon pushes the current to the right in the North Hemisphere. Its length of 10,000 kilometers makes it one of the largest and fastest currents on the Earth. At roughly 2 meters per second, it brings up to 100 million cubic meters of water per second towards Europe. Another factor is thermohaline circulation, also called global conveyor belt. This deeper flow is driven by variations in water density caused by temperature and salinity differences, adding additional strength to the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream has far-reaching impacts on our planet. Firstly, it plays a vital role in regulating the climate. It transfers warm water and energy from the tropics to the poles, helping to moderate temperatures in North America and Europe. For example, Western Europe's winters are much milder compared to other regions at the same latitude, thanks to the Gulf Stream. Secondly, it supports one of the world's richest marine ecosystems. Fish, plankton, and marine mammals all depend on the warm, nutrient-rich waters of the Gulf Stream. Looking ahead, the stability of the Gulf Stream may be at risk due to the climate change. Research shows that weakening in this current could have far-reaching effects on weather patterns, sea level rise, and ecosystems. Without it, the temperature would be significantly colder here, at least 5 to 10 degrees. Instead of lush fields, we would have long winters and sparse ice-covered landscapes in Europe. Scientists continue to observe the model its change to predict its future impact on both human societies and the natural world. In summary, the Gulf Stream is a complex and vital system with significant effects on our planet. Its study not only helps us to understand the past, but also prepare us for the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation has shed some light on this fascinating natural phenomenon.